Supra a bit today. So you guys have all seen the process on how I start it and warm the vehicle up and stuff like that. So I won't waste your time filming any of that. So I'll just do all that stuff and we'll catch up with you out on the road. So we're going to take the car out today for some rolling video, hopefully get some good audio with it. Seeing the car is one thing, but hearing it's an entirely different thing altogether. So it's cold, there's not radials on the car, there's street tires, so traction's going to be an issue. Don't expect any 100km/h squat and go type pulls, because this is just not going to be a thing. So all you drag racers gonna let you down. It's just a street car, keep that in mind. So I'll see you guys out there. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I just kind of wedged that mic between the GoPro and the windscreen. I'll wait for these cars to disappear. It's this mic sucks or something. Maybe it's a setting in the camera, I'm not too sure. But the wind noise really sucked on those poles. Half of them didn't have audio, so I'm not really sure what the deal was or what the malfunction was, but that's what I had to work with anyway. What else? I mean, that's really it. There's some poles and some rollers for you guys. I'll try to get some better footage in the future, but that's what I have now. So, thought I'd share anyway. There are going to be more videos to come. I'm not quite sure when. Winter is approaching me pretty fast, and we do get snow here, so the car's going to stay in a climate-controlled environment for a while. Maybe we'll do some... I'll bring you guys in on some maintenance over the winter and some parts I have to change. Maybe not. We'll go from there. You let me know if you guys want to see some if you guys want to work on the car with me or whatever. If you guys want that, then we'll film that and make sure that happens. If not, then I'll probably film it anyway. But thanks for watching, and can't tell you what the next video is going to be or when it's going to be, but see you there.